Greetings, my good people. I hope this video finds you well, just as emails do. Today, let's demystify this thing called Motor Vehicle Third Party Only Cover, or TPO for short. Third Party Only, TPO. Insurance offers financial protection against damages caused by the insured vehicle to third parties. It covers physical injuries or death of third parties, damage to third-party vehicles or property, and injuries to passengers traveling in your vehicle who may sue for compensation. I've seen cases where passengers injured in an accident sued the car owner for damages. That's why this cover is crucial. The term third party originated during the development of insurance contracts. It refers to any individual who is not a party to the insurance contract. The first party is the vehicle owner, policyholder. The second party is the insurance company. Anyone else impacted by an accident caused by the insured vehicle is a third party. Third parties include pedestrians, other motorists, passengers in your vehicle, and property owners affected by an accident involving your car. The TPO cover is mandatory by law for all vehicles operating on public roads. This cover ensures that third parties receive compensation in the event of an accident, preventing financial burdens from falling solely on the vehicle owner. However, it does not compensate for damage or loss of the insured vehicle or injuries or death of the vehicle owner. Most third-party claims are settled through legal channels. The claimant or their representative must prove liability before compensation is awarded. The specifics of the cover are outlined in the policy schedule, which includes limits on compensation for injuries or deaths, coverage for damage to third-party property, and passenger injury or death limits. In Kenya, the statutory limits for third-party only cover are as follows. For third-party injury or death, the coverage is up to 3 million Kenyan shillings for one person and up to 20 million Kenyan shillings for multiple people. When it comes to third-party property damage, the limit is up to 5 million Kenyan shillings per accident. For passenger injury or death, the coverage is up to 3 million Kenyan shillings for one person and up to 20 million Kenyan shillings for multiple passengers. Each insurance company may offer different limits. As a car owner, the higher the limits, the better the cover. Courts are not bound by your policy limits. If a judge awards a claimant more than your cover limit, your insurer will only pay up to the policy limit, and you will be responsible for the excess amount. However, insurers often negotiate court awards to remain within policy limits. Pro tip: always report any accident to your insurer immediately. You cannot claim compensation directly from another person's insurer. A claim must be made through the vehicle owner by issuing a demand letter or court summons. Insurers will not process claims unless legal procedures are followed. You should never direct a third party to your insurer for compensation. What is a demand letter and its role in TPO claims? A demand letter formally holds a person responsible for an accident and sets a deadline for them to accept liability and pay compensation. If they fail to comply, you are free to take legal action. Motor vehicle third-party insurance in Kenya is regulated by Cap 405 of the Motor Vehicle Third-Party Risks Act. This law mandates that every vehicle on public roads must have a minimum insurance cover. A valid insurance certificate must be displayed on the left side of the windscreen at all times. Failure to do so can lead to fines or jail time. My advice: always display your insurance certificate to avoid unnecessary penalties. Third-party only cover may be inexpensive, but the protection it offers is invaluable. Without it, you risk financial ruin in the event of an accident. Ensure your cover is valid and has adequate limits. In my next video, I'll discuss comprehensive motor insurance, so don't miss out. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. See you in the next video.